Hi everyone, my name is Justin and welcome to my presentation on People First Language. Have you ever heard of People First Language? Well, in this presentation we will discuss the power of language and labels, using People First Language, examples of inaccurate descriptors, and examples of People First Language. To start off, let's talk about the words we use. Our words are powerful and we must be mindful of how we describe others. When we see the diagnosis of a person before the person themselves, we devalue them as individuals. The question has to be asked, how would you like to be known? Do you want to be known for your disease, disability, or condition? Or do you want to be known as a human in person? Our words are powerful, and even with the best of intentions, we can hurt others by not viewing them as humans first. This is where using People First Language comes into play. People First Language puts the person before the disability and describes what the person has, not who a person is. People First Language focuses on including people with disabilities so they are respected and valued in society and not set apart because of their differences. People First Language is a shift in perspective when talking about a person with disability. It is a use of positive and accurate descriptors that portray the individual in a wonderful, valuable, and respected way. Here are some examples of descriptors that are no longer accurate and need to be retired. Handicapped. When referring to modified parking spaces or hotel rooms, the accurate term would be accessible. Disabled. The technical definition for this word is broken, and people with disabilities are not broken. Defective, special needs, suffers from, afflicted with, a victim of, or low or high functioning. These can all be replaced with has a disability or medical diagnosis. Here are some more examples of proper ways to use People First Language. Instead of saying a student is learning disabled, say that the student has a learning disability. Another example is saying that a student is in special education. This can be replaced with that student receives special education services. And lastly, when talking about the way students move, we can describe that by saying, for example, she uses a wheelchair or mobility chair. These are all easy changes that we can make that value humans and generate positive changes in the lives of people with disabilities. Attached are my references, and I thank you for listening to my presentation.
Created using Powtoon.